What's going on, everybody? Man, it is like January, I don't even know what. Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Monday, January 13th.
It's January 13th. It's 80 degrees outside.
I don't know that one.
It's 80 degrees outside, and you guys got me over here at home folding laundry. We should be fishing. 80 degrees in January. I mean, I'm talking tailing redfish on the flood tides this time of year with those temperatures. F-reef, near shore, bull red, sea bass, summer trout, bluefish. I mean, the bite is probably crazy right now. And nobody's calling. Phone's not ringing. You guys are all talking, oh, it's hunting season. Oh, it's football season. It's too hot to be in the woods. You can't watch football 24/7. We all know that. I mean, this is not a fishing rod. I shouldn't be folding laundry when it's 80 degrees and sunny out and the wind's not blowing. I mean, come on, guys, let's talk fishing. Normally in January, we're in temperatures, anywhere from in the upper 20s, low 30s to, at night to, mid 50s all the way up to 80 degrees. And what do you do when it's 80 degrees? You take advantage of it. I mean, you get outside. The bugs are out. Like, you don't want to go in the woods. You're going to get ticks in January. You going to get ticks on the water? No. So, give us a call. I mean, you guys know the number. You know the website, southeasternangling.com. Go look at our Instagram page. We're catching fish, but we're fun fishing with our buddies or by ourselves, which is no fun. So give us a shout. You guys know the number, 877-605-3474. Let's go fishing. Or don't forget to book those spring break dates or tarpon trips because they're going fast. We got people emailing and texting. Here again, shouldn't be doing laundry. But I'm home doing laundry, wondering where you guys are, where all my great clients are. Let's go fishing.